Welcome to the info with me ASUS Zenfone 9, and I'll show you how to unblock number on this device. So first let's open the phone application and then tap on the right upper corner to these three dots. Then click here to settings section, and after that you'll see here the call blocking and block list. Then tap here to block list, and now we can see here all of the numbers in our device blacklist. And just to remove one from this number, or just two of them, you should click on the number, and after that click here remove from blacklist and confirm your action by click to OK. Now we can see that this number removed successfully from blacklist. By the same way we can remove the second number from here. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.